Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get a chest on YesCoin. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically, to get the chest, you have to be inside the app, and you have to swipe away the coins. And basically, every now and then a chest appears, and then you just have to click on that chest. Now, at the moment, it's not showing up for me, but basically, if you do this for a long or short period of time, it depends on how lucky you are, you're going to get the chest. And also, if you go to the build section, you have chests. It tells you how many chests you can get a day. And then that's pretty much it. Oh, as you can see, we got the chest. It's right over here. Then you need to click on the chest, and then basically just swipe, and you get a lot of yen coins, and this lasts for like a few seconds. And then once it's over, the screen stops shaking, and you get to the regular ones. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.